Hello everyone, so in this tutorial what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how you can export your rigid body simulation from Blender to Unreal. And so this is the rigid body simulation that I have here in Blender. I'll just quickly show you what the simulation is. So the simulation starts somewhere around here. So this girl opens up the treasure, set this to frame dropping so it plays fast, and this is the simulation that we have. She picks it up, and then she drops the whole treasure into her bag. So that's the rigid body simulation that I have already made, and it has been baked into keyframes. I have some videos on my YouTube channel which you can check for making the rigid body simulations. Once the simulation is completely made, all you have to do is select all these files. If you see on the right side, I have made a folder which has all the objects which are here in the rigid body simulations. So we select them all, and then from there you go here to File, Export, Alembic. Here I'm exporting only the 1500 frames, but the total animation is somewhere around 16,000 frames. So you first select on selected objects only. You go down and make sure you check this face sets, because this is where once you check this, it will export your texture maps along with the animation. You can disable these two settings, and then make sure you set the scale to 100, because 1 equals to 0.01 in Unreal Engine. So instead, while exporting, make sure you set this to 100 and just select your file. Here I'll select rigid body chest. No, not this one. There should be. Okay, I have already done the export before, so all you have to do is put a name and send export. Once you do that, let's check if the export is done. Yep, the export is done. So I'll just now right click, import, and go here, look for the Alembic importer. Yep, that's the one. Import, and it's asking if I want to replace the existing file, so I'll just say apply to all. Yes, all the meshes. And now when you are importing Alembic animation into Unreal, it will be usually set to static mesh. Static mesh is just the physics geometry, not the animation. So make sure you set the import type to geometry catch. Check the start is 0, 1500, correct. Do not change anything, do not change this either, because we have exported with the scale of 100. If you export with the scale of 1, then you need to set this to 100, minus 100 and 100. That's all. So we have that right now. So just click on import and wait for this to get fully imported. So if you guys are not aware about how you can use sequencer, I have already done lots of animations in this. So instead of showing you from scratch, what I'll show you is, if you right click in your content browser, go in the cinematics and click on sequencer. Once you do that, you will get a file like this one. I have named it as Selena animation. Selena is the name of this character, and the face is not gonna be visible, so I have removed her hair. And once you double click on this, the sequencer will open like this. So all you have to do from here now is to go to your Alembic animation. So this is the one. I'll just drag and drop it here. If you can see here in the details panel, the location is off. So just click on this reset value. Here we have everything perfectly imported. You can see the coins look good. Yeah, that's good, looking pretty well. Now the next part is actually running the animation. So for that, you go to the sequencer. You can just drag and drop your file, Alembic file, into this. Make sure before you import the animation, make sure you are on the frame 0. Click on the plus icon and just click on the geometry catch. It will automatically detect the animation and set it up for you. So yeah, that's all. So as you can see, the animation is working pretty well. I'll show you from the attached camera. Now it doesn't look that bright, but it will look good once it's properly textured and once the scene is properly lit. So now the next part is setting up the textures. So I went ahead and I have textured all these assets. You can see how good it is looking. This is going to be a psychedelic video, so that's why the coins are shining, the diamonds are shining, they have immersive texture on them. So if you want to see how I have created these textures, you can go in the description. I have linked the video of how I have textured this, or you can just visit my channel and go to the video from there as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I am going to upload a tutorial every single day, because I have just thought that I keep working, I'm working every day, so why just not share whatever I'm working on with you? So that way I might be able to provide some value to you, might be able to solve some questions. If you have any doubts, anything, you can just put them in the comments. I'll make sure to go through them and solve your queries, solve your questions. And so yeah, that's it. Have fun with 3D, have fun with creation, have fun with creating something new every day. See you in the next video.